Hello, Assalamualaikum students. How are you all doing today? I hope all of you are doing well so that we can learn happily and cheerfully. Okay, at this time, in this video, Bu Icha will invite you all to learn the expressions that we learned in 10th grade. That is the expressions of greetings, compliments, congratulations, and apologies. And let's discuss it one by one. Okay, first of all, let's talk about greetings. So, what is the definition of greetings? Greetings are expressions used to say hello or to show politeness when meeting or parting from someone. And the function of greeting is to start or end a conversation politely and to show respect or friendliness. Jadi ekspresi greeting itu apa sih dalam bahasa Indonesia? Bahasa sederhananya adalah sapaan yang kita pakai untuk menunjukkan kesopanan ketika kita bertemu atau ketika berpisah dengan seseorang. Fungsinya adalah ya untuk menyapa, untuk memulai sebuah percakapan ataupun untuk mengakhiri sebuah percakapan secara sopan untuk menunjukkan kesopanan dan juga keramahan. Okay, now you can just take a look at the expressions that I have mentioned in the picture. There is formal greetings, informal greetings, and also leave-taking or parting. Formal greetings is used in a formal situation. For example, like good morning, good afternoon, good evening, how do you do? Dan biasanya formal greetings itu dipakai dalam suasana yang formal, seperti di sekolah, di dalam kelas, di kantor, dan lain-lain. And now we go to the informal greetings. Different from formal greetings, informal greetings are used in an informal situation. For example, if you meet with your best friend, with your old friends, so you just can say hi or hello, how are you, what's up, how is it going? That's the expressions of informal greetings that you can use. And now, what about leave-taking or parting? If you want to part with someone or you want to say goodbye or you want to end the conversation with someone, just say goodbye, see you later, take care, have a nice day. That's all the expression of leave-taking or parting that you can use. And now, let's pay attention to the example of dialogue. For example, good afternoon, Mrs. Jane. Good afternoon, Tom. How are you today? I'm great, thank you. That's the simple dialogue that you can use to greet someone. The second expression that we are going to learn in this video is the expression of compliments, or in bahasa Indonesia adalah pujian. So, what is the definition of compliments? Compliments are polite expressions of praise or admiration for someone's appearance, achievement, or ability. And the function of compliment is to appreciate, praise, or encourage others and also to build positive relationship. Jadi, compliments atau pujian itu adalah ekspresi kita memuji atau mengagumi seseorang atas penampilannya, atas pencapaiannya, ataupun kemampuannya. Dan fungsinya adalah ya untuk mengungkapkan apresiasi kita, pujian kita, ataupun kekaguman kita atas orang lain. Dan juga sekaligus bisa juga sebagai membangun hubungan yang positif. And here are the example of expressions that you can use to express compliment. For example, like, you look beautiful today. What a lovely dress. That's a great idea. You did a fantastic job. I really like your style, and so many other examples that you can use. And what about the response to the compliments? You can use thank you, thanks a lot, that's very kind of you, I really appreciate it. Okay, now can you find other responses to the compliments? Just try to find it out and then try to practice by yourself or with your friends. And now we are moving to the third expressions that we are going to discuss in this video. That is the expressions of congratulations, or in bahasa Indonesia adalah ungkapan selamat. So, what is the definition of congratulations? Congratulations are expressions used to show happiness or praise when someone has achieved something or experienced success. And the function of congratulation is to express happiness and pride for someone's success or special occasion. Jadi ya selayaknya ucapan selamat ya kita gunakan untuk menunjukkan kebahagiaan kita atas pencapaian orang lain, untuk menunjukkan kebanggaan kita atas pencapaian ataupun kesuksesan orang lain. Selain kesuksesan atau pencapaian seseorang, kita juga bisa mengungkapkan ungkapan selamat ini ketika seseorang sedang merayakan momen spesialnya seperti pernikahan, jabatan baru, kelulusan, dan lain sebagainya. And then the example of expression of congratulations, you can just take a look at the expressions that I have mentioned in the picture. For example, like congratulations on your graduation. Selamat atas lulusanmu, or well done, that's wonderful news, I'm so happy for you. That's all the example of congratulations that you can use. You can still find more other examples of congratulations and then try to practice by yourself. Okay, so when someone congratulates us, what about the responses? You can just say, thank you very much. Thanks, I really appreciate it. That means a lot to me. I'm so glad to hear that. Just choose one of the expression to respond to congratulation. And here are the simple example of the dialogue. Congratulations on your new job. Thank you, I'm really excited about it. And now for your practice, just try to make a short dialogue based on the expressions that we have learned together, and then you can practice by yourself or with your friends. Okay students, and here we are in the last part of the videos, and it is about the expression of apologies. So, what is apologies? In Bahasa Indonesia, we call it permintaan maaf. So, apologies are expression used to show regret or to say sorry for a mistake or something that causes inconvenience. And the function of it is to express regret, takes responsibility, and maintain good relationship after making a mistake. Jadi, ekspresi ini itu kita gunakan untuk menunjukkan penyesalan kita atau untuk mengucapkan permintaan maaf atas sebuah kesalahan atau sesuatu yang menyebabkan orang lain merasa tidak nyaman. Dan fungsinya ya itu tadi, to express regret, untuk menunjukkan penyesalan kita, and then take responsibility sebagai pertanggungjawaban kita, dan untuk tetap menjaga baik sebuah hubungan setelah kesalahan itu kita buat. And here are the common expressions of apologies that we often use in our daily. For example, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry for being late. Please forgive me. I apologize for the mistake. My apologies. And what about the response? We can just say, that's okay. No problem. Don't mention about it. It's alright. And you can still find more other examples that you can use, and then practice by yourself or with your friends. And here is a simple dialogue that you can use as a reference. I'm sorry for forgetting your birthday. That's okay. Maybe next time you'll remember. Okay students, alhamdulillah, we have come to the last part of the video. We have learned all the expressions that we learned in the 10th grade, and in this video as the preparation for you to face the final exam. So hopefully you can do it as well as you can. No cheating, no doing something bad, just be confident, and may Allah ease every process that you do. Selamat belajar, see you on the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.